Hello and welcome to Code Essentials KE. Welcome to another tutorial in HTML. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to embed a video. Actually, it's how to use a video in HTML, right? So I'm assuming that you have opened your VS Code, you have connected your folder. For me, I've connected my center div folder. And as you can see, I have also a subfolder called videos. In it, it's a video called testvideo.mp4. That is a file extension for videos in that format. So I'm going to close this one. I'm going to create a new file called video test.html, right? I'm also going to type HTML, and I'm going to select the last one, HTML boilerplate. This is a VS Code extension which generates a HTML starter code for easy coding. I'm going to remove JavaScript. We are not going to use JavaScript in this tutorial. To use a video in HTML, I'm going to type video and I'm going to close it, right? I'm going to give the video a width of 320. I'm also going to give it a height, because it is a container. I'm going to give it a height of 240, right? And I'm also going to use to type controls. So controls means that in my video I want to be able to see the mute icon, the play and pause icon, right? So I'm going to open this one, and in HTML5 we don't use source here. Like in HTML4 you would type source, right? But in this one we are not going to use that source. I'm going to type in this one source like that. I'm going to close it. This is where I'm now going to give the source to our video. So it will be in our videos folder, as you can see, and it will be testvideo.mp4, right? I'm going also to give it a type, basically telling the browser what type of a video do you want me to play. So I'm going to say it is a video stroke mp4. So this is the type of the video. If it was a .ogg, this one would be /ogg, right? But in our case, we are using mp4, right? And I'm also going to type a text here which says your browser does not support video tag. So this one will be shown if your browser does not support video. But in my case, my browser supports video, so you will not see this message. This is like a message that is passed to the user, right? So that's all. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open with Live Server. Live Server is also a marketplace extension for running HTML files in the browser without going there to reload. It automatically reloads your file. So I will open with Live Server. As you can see, our video is playing. Let me play it. These are, you can see the controls, the play, pause. These are controls. These are available because I put these controls here, right? So you may not want your video to automatically to play while it has the sound. So there is one after the controls, you can use autoplay. Like as you have seen, I'm the one who started to play the video, so you can put autoplay, right? You can see now the video is on to play, right? You can also add muted keyword. So this one tells the video that I want it to have controls. I want to be able to play and pause the video, and I want it to start in autoplay mode, and I want it to be muted. I don't want to hear the sound. So when I go back, you can see now the video starts playing automatically, but you cannot be able to hear the sound, right? So that has been our tutorial this day, how to use HTML tag, to use video tag in HTML5. You'll be able to play a video from your machine and also play it in your browser. Thank you.